DP World is a high growth, high octane business. We're growing faster than our competitors. We have a unique value proposition to take to our customers, and that allows us to bring true value to global supply chain.
首先 DP World 是一个物流行业真正的领导者。DP World 我们在全球有超过75个国家有自己的服务网络，我们一年的营收超过300亿美金。
We have a very closely bonded team. We spend a lot of time working together. We work hard, we play hard, but at the same time, we also spend time together outside work.
We have a group of people which is extremely dynamic. And this is quite important because we are driven with high energy and pass it to our teams and our customers, which are really appreciated in the market.
At the moment, DP World is growing quickly because we have something so unique to bring to our customers that we're able to achieve and build and grow our customer base exponentially.
We're there to inspire each other. We're there to drive success for the whole team.
If you are ready to join the team of the winners, the team of the dynamic people, and the team that you will be very innovative in your day-to-day job, is the perfect place to work.